We all know there are many disadvantages to smoking. Cigarette packs themselves have a Surgeon General's warning about the dangers of smoking. Probably the biggest risk to smokers is lung cancer, but there are many more disadvantages to smoking than that. If you are a smoker and are looking to stop, there are many different ways to go about quitting. Increased risk of stroke and brain damage. Eye cataracts, macular degeneration, yellowing of whites of eyes. Loss of sense of smell and taste. Yellow teeth, tooth decay, and bad breath. Cancer of the nose, lip, tongue and mouth. Possible hearing loss. Laryngeal and pharyngeal cancers. Contributes to osteoporosis. Shortness of breath. Coughing. Chronic bronchitis. Cancer. Triggering asthma. Emphysema. Heart disease. Blockages in blood supply that can lead to a heart attack. High blood pressure, hypertension. Myeloid leukemia, a cancer that affects bone marrow and organs that make blood. Stomach and bladder cancers. Stomach ulcers. Slower healing wounds. Damage to blood vessel walls. Increased likelihood of back pain. Increased susceptibility to infection. Lower fertility and increased risk of miscarriage.